GWC-D-2600 wire mesh welding line. It is a kind of fully automatic welding production line which can weld coil material into wire mesh after automatic processing. It is mainly composed of 11 parts such as payoff parts, line wire detection parts, straightening parts, line wire pull storage parts, stepping parts, weld machine, cross wire straightening parts, cutting parts, pole mesh rack, mesh turnover parts, unloading rack parts. Production efficiency 60-70 stick min. The unit is designed as a separable structure. Convenient specification adjustment and maintenance can be based on user capacity. Adopt single or fractional welding. Very flexible. The mesh can be stacked front and back. Save space for stacking, reduce transportation costs. It can weld 3.4 mm 8 mm diameter wire. The pressure of welding pneumatic system is stepless adjustable, fast response to wire specification changes. The machine adopts man-machine interface, PLC programming controller to control. High degree of automation. Weld pressure, even. Make sure all weld spots quality.